Open up your MTT. We're going to do the transformation quiz review that covers rotations. The first thing that you're going to do is use the ordered pairs in the PI chart, write them in, and then you're going to graph the pre-image figure onto the graph. Now we're going to use our algebraic expression of switching the coordinates and then multiplying the x by -1. So here we go. This is going to be 1, comma, 1 times -1. This is going to be 3, comma, 4 times -1. You'll notice that we're switching the orders of the coordinates. So this is going to be 6, comma, 4 times -1 and 6, comma, 1 times -1. So the algebraic expression is y, comma, x times -1. J prime is 1, -1. K prime is 3, -4. All I'm doing is coming over here and I'm looking at the numbers and then I'm simplifying what's inside the parentheses. L prime is 6, comma, -4. 6 is the same as what's in the center, and then 4 times -1 is -4. And M prime is 6, comma, -1. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to graph. So I'm going to do 1, -1 is J prime. And K prime is going to be 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. K prime. Connect those two together. And then 6, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -4 is going to give us our L prime. And then M prime is 6, 3. I'm sorry, 6, -1. And that's going to be our M prime. And we'll connect our dots and we'll notice that it's a 90-degree rotation. All right, now we're going to do a 180-degree clockwise rotation. For this particular one, we're going to take the x, multiply it by -1. We're going to take the y and multiply it by -1. We don't have to switch the coordinates. So this is going to be 1 times -1, comma, 1 times -1. And then we're going to do 4 times -1, comma, 3 times -1. Then we're going to do 4 times -1, comma, 6 times -1, and 1 times -1, comma, and 6 times -1. Our algebraic expression is going to be x times -1, comma, y times -1, comma. Our J prime, -1, comma, -1. K prime, -4, comma, -3. L prime, -4, comma, -6. And M prime, -1, comma, -6. Now we're going to go ahead and graph. -1, 1 is our J prime. And then we're going to go ahead and do -4, -3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's going to be our K prime. And then we're going to do -4, -6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is going to be our K prime, or sorry, that is going to be our L prime. And then our M prime is going to be -1, -6, M prime. And we connect our dots and we'll notice that we've rotated 180 degrees. The last one that we're going to do is a 90-degree counterclockwise, which is the same formula as the 270-degree clockwise. So if you learn the 270-degree clockwise formula, you'll be able to do a 90-degree counterclockwise. So the counterclockwise simply says switch the ordered pair coordinates, y and x, but now this time you're going to go ahead and you're going to multiply the y by -1, comma, x. So here we go. So this is going to be 1 times negative 1 comma 1. This is going to be 3 times negative 1 comma 4. This is going to be 6 times negative 1 comma 4. And this is going to be 6 times negative 1 comma 1. So our J prime is negative 1, 1. K prime, negative 3, 4. L prime is negative 6, 4. And M prime is negative 6, 1. So we'll go ahead and do negative 1, 1. That's going to be our J prime. And then we're going to do negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is our K prime. And then negative 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up 4. That is our L prime. And then M is negative 6, 1, which is going to be our M prime. And we connect our dots, and we'll notice that that figure has done a 90-degree counterclockwise. And that's how you do rotations.